This is going to be today's video review for Friday, November the 13th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. Excuse me. So today in the markets, the trader coming into the day was alerted with the bigger picture as to what was taking place. As you can see, coming into the opening here, price had just flushed down through a valley of support. If you're just joining us, what we do is we are very relaxed traders. We like to draw lines, and we wait for those lines to break and get retested before we do any types of trading. So if the white dotted line hooks up, we draw a valley of support and we project that into the future. And then when the white dotted line hooks down, what we'll do is we'll draw a crest of resistance and project that into the future. So there's lots of opportunities when you understand when price breaks through the valley of support and tries to come up to this crest of resistance. You can see the tops of our bricks here unable to get up through this solid white midline into our block, telling us that this block here was very strong. Even though price bounced up from this valley of support, you can see the tops of the bricks can't close above this solid white midline. It's at this point here on our trade chart we have what is known as a weak dot push into a crest. Strong dots above the solid white midline, weak dots into the solid white midline into this crest, and this is drawn here on the right chart for an opportunity to get short. If you missed that one, there was another crest drawn here showing this white dotted line had lost its push up, giving us a target of about 33, 34. Another opportunity here on the right chart to get short down into that 33, 34. And as price bounces up from this level here, you can see we've just fallen or flushed down through this valley of support, returning to enter here to the block with this valley of support that turns into resistance over here. So this line that we just talked about we also broke a support line here on this focus chart. We have a weak dot push, very weak dots up here and creating a high, pulls back, pops back into this support, now turned into resistance with a very, very weak dot push. See our dots can't even go blue. So at this point here on our trade chart, our trader goes short. And you can see the opportunity is that we're going to be taking out lower energy bands because these lower energy bands are not pushing up. Price just flushes on. So as price tries to come up and get above this solid white midline, you can see our tops of our bricks going basically sideways, unable to get the tops of the bricks above the solid white midline, looking for a short here. And on our focus chart, we have strong dots, but just at the white solid midline. This is a weak dot push into a crest of resistance at about 1108. This is where our trader on our trade chart would look for an entry to get short, because this midline here on this left chart, this white dotted midline, has lost its push up. Price is going to go down to at least 22 to 23.5, and as you can see, price even flushes down lower. If you'd like to learn about visual energy analysis, create a very simple trading plan for the day, send us an email with your questions at jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you for a great week and have a great weekend.